In the heart of ancient philosophy lies a timeless guide to a happier, more resilient existence. Stoicism, the school of thought founded in Athens by Zeno of Citium in the early 3rd century BC, offers a pathway to tranquility and inner strength that transcends the vicissitudes of life. This comprehensive guide will uncover 20 Stoic secrets that can transform your day-to-day living. These principles, rooted in reason and virtue, aim to cultivate self-control, overcome destructive emotions, and lead you to a more fulfilling and balanced life. Prepare to embark on a journey through the wisdom of ancient Stoic scholars, such as Marcus Aurelius, Seneca, and Epictetus. As we delve into these secrets, you will learn how to harness the power of Stoicism to face daily challenges with grace, grit, and an unwavering sense of inner peace. 1. Embrace the present moment. The power of now. Living in the present moment is a cornerstone of Stoic practice. Marcus Aurelius advised, confine yourself to the present. By focusing on the here and now, we free ourselves from the anxiety of the future and the regret of the past. Embracing the present allows us to experience life and act with purpose fully. Mindfulness in action. Practicing mindfulness helps anchor us in the present. Simple techniques such as deep breathing, paying attention to our senses, and being fully engaged in our tasks can enhance our awareness and bring us back to the present moment. 2. Understand what you can control. The dichotomy of control. Epictetus taught that we must distinguish between what is within our control and what is not. Our actions, thoughts, and responses are within our control, while external events are not. It's not what happens to you, but how you react to it that matters, he said. Recognizing this dichotomy helps us focus our energy on what we can influence and accept what we cannot. Letting go of worry. Worrying about things beyond our control only drains our energy and distracts us from meaningful pursuits. By accepting the limitations of our control, we can let go of unnecessary stress and concentrate on what truly matters. 3. Practice virtue. The 4 cardinal virtues. Stoicism emphasizes 4 cardinal virtues: wisdom, courage, justice, and temperance. These virtues guide our actions and decisions, helping us live in accordance with reason and morality. Seneca stated, "No man can have a peaceful life who thinks too much about lengthening it." Daily acts of virtue. Incorporating these virtues into our daily lives can lead to a happier existence. Whether through acts of kindness, making just decisions, or exercising self-discipline, each small act of virtue contributes to our overall well-being. 4. Reflect on your day, evening reflection. At the end of each day, take time to reflect on your actions and thoughts. Marcus Aurelius practiced this by asking himself, "What bad habit did I curb today? How am I better?" This reflection helps us learn from our experiences and strive for continuous improvement. Journaling. Keeping a journal is a powerful tool for reflection. Writing down our thoughts, challenges, and successes provides clarity and insight into our behavior, helping us grow and develop as individuals. 5. Accept impermanence. The transient nature of life. Stoics understand that everything in life is transient. Marcus Aurelius wrote, "The universe is change. Our life is what our thoughts make it." Accepting the impermanence of all things helps us appreciate the present and reduce attachment to material possessions and outcomes. Embracing change. By embracing change, we become more adaptable and resilient. Instead of resisting the inevitable, we learn to flow with life's currents, finding peace in the constant evolution of our circumstances. 6. Cultivate gratitude. The gratitude attitude. Gratitude is a powerful antidote to negativity and discontent. Seneca encouraged us to enjoy present pleasures in such a way as not to injure future ones. By focusing on what we have, rather than what we lack, we cultivate a sense of abundance and contentment. Daily gratitude practice. Incorporating gratitude into our daily routine can significantly enhance our happiness. Take a few moments each day to reflect on what you are grateful for, whether it's a kind gesture, a beautiful sunset, or a moment of peace. 7. Live in accordance with nature. Aligning with nature. Stoicism teaches us to live in harmony with nature, both our own human nature and the natural world around us. Marcus Aurelius wrote, "Observe constantly that all things take place by change." Understanding and accepting our place in the natural order fosters a sense of belonging and purpose, simplicity and moderation. Living simply and in moderation helps us stay connected to nature and reduces the distractions of modern life. By prioritizing what truly matters, we can lead more fulfilling and balanced lives. 8. Build resilience. The Stoic resilience is the ability to withstand and recover from adversity. Epictetus advised, "Difficulties are things that show a person what they are." Embracing challenges as opportunities for growth strengthens our character and fortitude. Stoic exercises. Practicing Stoic exercises such as voluntary discomfort, negative visualization, and reflection on mortality helps build resilience. These practices prepare us for adversity and remind us of our inner strength. 9. Practice self-control, mastering desires. Self-control is essential for a virtuous life. Seneca stated, "Most powerful is he who has himself in his own power." By mastering our desires and impulses, we gain control over our actions and reactions, leading to greater inner peace. Techniques for self-control. Techniques such as setting clear intentions, mindfulness, and avoiding triggers can help us maintain self-control. Regular practice and self-awareness are key to developing this virtue. 10. Cultivate inner peace. The inner citadel. Stoicism teaches that true peace comes from within. Marcus Aurelius referred to this inner strength as an inner citadel. By focusing on our inner resources and maintaining a calm mind, we can remain unshaken by external events. Meditation and mindfulness. Meditation and mindfulness practices can help cultivate inner peace. By regularly taking time to quiet the mind and focus on the present, we strengthen our ability to remain calm and centered. 11. Embrace adversity. The gift of challenges, Stoics view adversity as an opportunity for growth. Seneca wrote, "Difficulties strengthen the mind, as labor does the body." Embracing challenges helps us develop resilience, wisdom, and fortitude. Learning from adversity. Reflecting on and learning from our difficulties enables us to grow and improve. By seeing challenges as lessons, we transform obstacles into stepping stones on our path to a happier life. 12. Seek wisdom. The pursuit of wisdom is a core Stoic virtue. Epictetus advised, "Only the educated are free." Seeking knowledge and understanding helps us make informed decisions and live in accordance with reason. Lifelong learning. Commit to lifelong learning by reading, studying, and engaging in thoughtful discussions. The pursuit of wisdom enriches our lives and equips us to handle life's challenges with grace. 13. Practice justice. Acting justly. Justice involves treating others fairly and with respect. Marcus Aurelius stated, "The only wealth which you will keep forever is the wealth you have given away." By acting justly, we contribute to the well-being of our community and foster harmonious relationships. Social responsibility. Taking responsibility for our actions and their impact on others is essential for justice. Strive to be fair, compassionate, and ethical in all your interactions. 14. Develop courage. Facing fear. Courage is the ability to confront fear and adversity. Seneca noted, "Sometimes even to live is an act of courage." Developing courage helps us face life's challenges with strength and determination. Building courage. Build courage by taking small steps outside your comfort zone, confronting your fears, and standing up for your beliefs. Over time, these practices will strengthen your resolve and confidence. 15. Practice temperance. The balance of temperance. Temperance is the practice of self-restraint and moderation. Epictetus advised, "If you want to improve, be content to be thought foolish and stupid." By exercising temperance, we avoid excess and maintain balance in our lives. Implementing temperance. Implement temperance by setting boundaries, practicing moderation in all things, and prioritizing long-term well-being over short-term gratification. This discipline leads to greater happiness and fulfillment. 16. Cultivate compassion. The importance of compassion. Compassion is a key aspect of Stoic practice. Marcus Aurelius urged, "Wherever there is a human being, there is an opportunity for kindness." By showing compassion, we strengthen our connections with others and contribute to a more harmonious world. Acts of kindness. Engage in acts of kindness, both small and large. Whether through a kind word, a helpful gesture, or supporting those in need, compassion enriches our lives and the lives of others. 17. Practice acceptance. Accepting reality. Acceptance is the ability to embrace reality as it is, without resistance. Epictetus taught, "Make the best use of what is in your power, and take the rest as it happens." Acceptance frees us from the burden of wishing things were different and allows us to focus on what we can control. Letting go. Letting go of resistance and embracing acceptance helps us find peace and contentment. Practice accepting situations and people as they are, without judgment or expectation. 18. Develop patience. The virtue of patience. Patience is the ability to endure delays and difficulties with calm and grace. Seneca wrote, "How much better to heal than to seek revenge from injury." Developing patience helps us navigate life's challenges with equanimity. Cultivating patience. Cultivate patience through mindfulness, deep breathing, and focusing on the bigger picture. Recognize that some things take time and trust the process of growth and development. 19. Embrace simplicity. The beauty of simplicity. Simplicity is a central tenet of Stoic philosophy. Marcus Aurelius stated, "Very little is needed to make a happy life. It is all within yourself, in your way of thinking." Embracing simplicity helps us focus on what truly matters and leads to a more contented life. Simplifying life. Simplify your life by decluttering, prioritizing meaningful activities, and letting go of unnecessary distractions. By focusing on the essentials, we create space for joy and fulfillment. 20. Live with purpose. Finding your purpose. Living with purpose gives our lives meaning and direction. Marcus Aurelius advised, "The soul becomes dyed with the color of its thoughts." Reflect on your values, passions, and strengths to discover your purpose. Pursuing purpose. Pursue your purpose with dedication and commitment. Align your actions with your values and strive to make a positive impact in the world. Living with purpose brings a deep sense of fulfillment and happiness. Conclusion. The teachings of Stoicism offer a profound and practical guide to a happier day and a more fulfilling life. By embracing the present moment, understanding what we can control, practicing virtue, and cultivating inner peace, we can overcome destructive emotions and develop resilience. The Stoic secrets we've explored provide timeless wisdom that can transform our daily lives and lead us to a state of tranquility and joy. As you incorporate these principles into your life, remember the words of Seneca. True happiness is to enjoy the present without anxious dependence upon the future. Let the wisdom of the Stoics guide you on your journey to a happier, more meaningful existence. Together, we can cultivate a life of virtue, purpose, and inner peace.